Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I am going to show you some of the common solutions and fixes on how you can fix if your Instagram account's actions are being blocked by Instagram app. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now the first thing you want to simply understand is that why did Instagram block your actions in the first place? Now maybe you were commenting too much, maybe you were liking too many posts, and maybe you were chatting too much and you were commenting something, and then Instagram's automated algorithm actually automatically noticed that and then blocked your actions. So what we want to do is we are going to run through some of the simple checks on how you can fix if your account's actions are being blocked on the Instagram app. Now the first thing I would definitely recommend you is to simply open your settings and then first of all simply try to clear the cache as well as the data files. So I'm going to simply go over to my app screen on my Android device, and if you are on your iOS then you could try offloading the app. So I'm going to simply go over to my app section right over here, and then here I will select the Instagram app. As you simply see it, tap on Instagram right over here. And then you want to come back and you want to head over to storage settings, and here at the bottom right, first of all you want to clear the cache, and then you want to simply clear the data of the Instagram app and then go ahead and relog into your Instagram app. Once we have done that, the other thing I would recommend you doing is to simply open Instagram and then try to change your password. So in order to change your password, first of all open Instagram and go to your profile page. So we are going to simply wait for this application to load up. Now we are going to go to our profile page, and on the top right you want to simply tap on your menu bar. As you tap on your menu bar, here at the bottom you want to go ahead and tap on settings. And here as we go to settings, we want to simply find and tap on the fourth option called security. As we tap on security, here you want to simply tap on password, and here you want to enter your current password and re-enter new password. Now you might ask that why am I telling you to actually clear the cache files as well as change our password, which we will get to later. But for now what we want to do is we want to simply come back to this page right over here, and here you want to simply tap on the option called help. And as you tap on help, here you want to simply tap on report a problem at the top of the screen. And as we tap on report a problem, here you want to simply select the third option, which is report a problem. And here first of all you want to take a screenshot of your Instagram account being blocked, and here you will ask why actually I told you to change your password and clear the cache files. The thing is that Instagram actually blocks your action if they notice unusual behavior, and the reason I'm telling you to change your password is because Instagram might think that maybe someone else was using his account, or right now he's trying to fix it and then change his account. So you want to make sure that you are doing all those behaviors in the background before you try to send a report to Instagram and wait for them to get back at you. And over here what you want to simply type is, I had noticed some unusual behavior on my Instagram account. I'm trying to conduct some actions and it is not letting me. Would you please mind regaining access to my account? You want to simply type in that, and you want to type in any other thing if you want to add. So you want to make sure that you are typing this very carefully, and Instagram is going to take that account, and hopefully within 24 hours Instagram is going to get back to you whether your decision for appeal is worthy or not. So this was a common way on how you could actually fix if your action was being blocked on Instagram. We hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.